back to my channel and welcome to one of the best videos of the whole year, my fall shop with me. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm super excited to take you guys along fall shopping with me today. We're gonna head to Homesense, Marshalls, Michael's, the dollar store, and more. I'm actually filming the intro after the video's been filmed because I forgot to record an intro. That's how excited I was, but I cannot wait to take you guys along. If you're new here, before we get into this video, please subscribe if you want to. Obviously, if you clicked on this, you love fall, and so do I. There's tons more fall content to come, and I would love it if you joined our little family. And if you haven't, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you enjoyed the video, and it helps more people see it, which I'm always so greatly appreciative of. And honestly, without further ado, we should probably jump into it. I will say that this year's fall shop with me is probably not as extravagant as last year. If you guys are new here, my boyfriend and I moved in together last year and we had no seasonal stuff. So last year I got to kind of go a little buck wild with the decor. And this year, of course, we are in our own home that we bought this year. And so not only do I need to budget a bit better for fall decor, but we just don't need as much. But I'm really excited to take you guys along with me. I'm excited. This year I definitely went for more of like a black and white tone with pops of orange. From this video that I love Halloween a bit more than fall. What can I say? My mom raised me to love witches and ghosts and goblins and all that spooky stuff, so I'm definitely more of a Halloween lover than a fall lover, but I promise there's something for everyone here, and I'm really excited to take you guys along. Also, please note, I am in Canada, so some of the products might differ, like especially places like Michael's. But honestly, without further ado, let's jump into it. I did this over the span of 2 days, so I could kind of get the most shopping in as I could. But without further ado, let's jump into it. I am so excited to take you guys along. Guys, I'm in the car. I'm trying to get used to the lighting in my new car. Bear with me. I'm just getting used to it. The best spots to vlog. But we just got to Michael's. I got my spooky season mask and everything because masks are still mandated in Canada. Although I'm fully vaccinated, I don't want anyone to think I am against the vaccine. But let's go in and check out what they have. I am literally so excited. Lots of floral arrangements, which makes me happy. I definitely want something, I think, plain for my florals. Also, tip for you guys, I did this last year, is I bought a bunch of these and then I just cut the stick off because it's a lot cheaper. A lot of this like almost like Christmas tree truck, but they're making it fall, which is like kind of cute. Not my style, but I got some like candle holders almost. These are really nice. I have that from last year. I really love this sign. I think this would be so cute. I just don't know where, but it's definitely, I'm definitely eyeing this when things go 40% off. It's cute, and it's only $24.99, but I really like this. It's pretty bare in here. This is kind of cute for your little doorway. Got lots of hay bales. We have for doormats. These are cute. I mean, they're like the typical Michael's cheesy ones. Got some cute little signs here. I love that pumpkin. This is actually really cute. This is so cute. I kind of want it. This is so cute. I love this guy too. Let's see, $12.99. Alright guys, everyone's favorite part, all of these little signs, which are so cheesy, but I love them. Like, okay, I know this is like so cheesy, but try and tell me this is not so cute. I mean, that one's my fave. This is typical like pumpkin spice ones. This one's actually really nice. It's kind of rusticy, but it's not super in your face fall. I kind of like it actually. More of these like little pumpkins that you can just cut the stick off of, super easy. Really like this pumpkin spice latte sign, and I kind of want it. I really want one of these for the fireplace. I might honestly get, oh my god, never mind, it's $30. We'll try and find one at like Marshalls. But this is what we're here for. I just need to find some kind of like plainer flowery thing. We've got some nice, oh, this is actually really nice and kind of more on the neutral side. I really like this. Look really nice with a candle in it, honestly. I want like this, honestly. I think I actually want this like reddish color. Do I think one is enough? I don't know, we'll see. Alrighty, this is what we came for, the Halloween content. I love these like little books, so cute. Oh, that's so cute. I really want some kind of countdown. You know, we have the Christmas one. I really want some kind of countdown. I just don't know where to put it. Toxic pumpkin tonic. This is funny. Oh, I love. I kind of want this. There's some candles in it. What else do we have? It's still a little bare, but that's okay. Oh, apparently the beakers are a trend this year. I really want these bats to hang on the coffee bar. I think I'm gonna get these. Alright. We hit the jackpot. I'm getting this one. I love it. Love it. Love it. We even have bath mats this year. Oh my god, these are so cute. So cute. What is this one? Aww. This one is really cute. I love this. Shiny. I'm looking. Oh, these little guys are so precious. What else do they have? This is really cute. Some pumpkins. I love how much Halloween stuff they have. All of the typical little fall stuff and not Halloween. Good options if you want something for your Nespresso pods or K-Cups like we have. They have so many options. So many options. I would go as far as to call that a major success. I got everything I needed. Or that I wanted to get today that I didn't get last time. I got everything I needed, so I'm really happy about that. So we're gonna head home and then I will give you guys a haul. I'm literally so excited. I'm so happy with everything I got, and I literally envisioned what I wanted and I found everything, which is like the best way a shop with me can go. So I'm gonna head home and then I'll give you guys a haul, and then I'll see you guys when we decorate this week. Alrighty guys, here's a little haul of everything that we picked up today. So I'll start with Michael's since that's where we went first. I ended up getting these pretty fake flowers. I don't know what they are honestly, but I thought they would look nice in my office. And this brew, which I don't know if I'm going to keep. Like, I took the receipt for it and I'll kind of show you guys where I want to put it. And I just think it's cute. And then once again, I said I was going in for bats. I'm so happy I found them. This is going to be going where the coffee cart is. And then I loved the sign and I could not pass it up. I just love witches, and Annie Lennox's version of I Put a Spell on You is one of my favorite songs in the world. So I just love witches and putting spells on people, and I also have an idea for this. And then at Homesense, I didn't get much. I did get this bath mat, which was very spontaneous, but it was super cute. And then I got this pillow, which will perfectly match with the new bedding that we got. So I'm really excited about that. So those are all of today's finds. Hi guys, it's been a few days. We're doing round 2 of fall shopping today. I actually decorated yesterday, and I did it that way so that I would know what else I would have to get, and that way I just like didn't overbuy. So I decorated yesterday, and now we're out kind of grabbing the last few things. Although I already went to Marshall's and Michael's and it was such a miss here. I purposely went to a different one so I could see what they had, and I don't know why I didn't just go to another Homesense. Marshall's just has like no selection. I also made a pumpkin cream cold brew at home. Yeah, so it was very disappointing, and the Michael's here doesn't even have any Halloween stuff out, and you guys know I like Halloween more than fall, so that was just a big bummer because I'm missing just basically one Halloween sign in the living room and everything else is done. Okay, it is what it is. I'm gonna head into the dollar store now and see what they have, and then maybe on our way back I'll stop at the other one because I just finished work, so like I have a decent amount of time on my hands. Like I'm not in a rush, so we'll see. But that was a big bummer. I was so excited to like film some other stores, but they had like nothing. Anyways, yeah, like there's not even enough footage for me to include it, which is sad. But we're gonna go to the dollar store and see what they have. I need to get some more twinkly lights. Ours from last year died, which is fine because I got them from the dollar store. So we're gonna go and see what they have. But let's go to the dollar store and yeah. Head into the dollar store. Oh look, it's a Halloween car right there. Let's head into the dollar store and see what we can find. The typical cheesy stuff. Oh, they still have these pumpkins if anyone wants them, the ones I have from last year. We've got a ton of stuffed animals, so I can get something for Stella maybe. Okay, this is like more kitty stuff, but I'm sure there's like decor somewhere for your house. Oh, that's kind of cute actually. Look, it says welcome to the haunted house, and it says trick or treat, we're out of candy. I just don't know why they have to make it purple. Like, why can't you just keep it white, you know? Oh, they have a little haunted one. I have this one. That one's so cute. Picked up some ice cubes. They have like little witches hats, and then they also have little spiders, perfect for the iced coffee. Yeah, maybe 2. Yeah, I'll get 2. They're only $2, so. All right, this is kind of like all the cheesy stuff. Now this is like really cheesy, but I kind of want it, honestly. The dollar store is not half bad this year. I'm pretty impressed. I got some of these. Like this lantern is kind of nice, honestly. This lantern would look really nice on the fireplace, and it's probably like, what, $4 or something? There's no price on it, but. Success at the dollar store. I always say to get like your basics at the dollar store. So I got this cute little pumpkin ice cube tray for like iced coffees, and then I just picked up some LED lights at the dollar store. I get them there every year because they don't last long, and I'm not paying like 30 bucks on Amazon for LED lights. So I got some. They're orange. I'm gonna put them on the mantle. Really happy with that. Head to the Homesense that's on the way back home, like not the one super close to me, but the one on the way home, just because when I went a few weeks ago they did have those big candles in stock that we will head home. I'm kind of sad about the whole Michaels and Marshall situation, but that's okay. After that I'll probably end the vlog off here, and then if there's like any home updates or more fall shopping, you guys will see it, because I'm planning on doing kind of like fall day in my life every 2 weeks leading up to Halloween, so that'll be super fun, and I'm sure we'll do tons more fall shopping. Well, maybe not tons, but we'll do some more fall shopping. So I'm gonna head to the Homesense near home. I'll take you guys with me, and then we will end the vlog off. I literally just love this store so much. It's so fun in here. Got 60 days until Halloween. It's not a very big section, but oh, they actually do have some stuff. Oh, that's kind of cute, and I kind of want it on our fridge. Let's see if there's a price on it. Oh, only $4.99. I honestly might get it just to put on the fridge. And this wine glass is amazing. It's $12.99. They also have this mug. Oh my god, I love it. And this one. And then some tea towels. Oh, they have like a Madame Leota. This is actually really cute. This is really cute. Let's see how much it is. Oh, it's only $24.99. See, Spirit Halloween had some really cute stuff. I got this Beware of Hitchhiking Ghost magnet because our fridge obviously has all Disney stuff, so I thought it was fitting. And then I wanted another sign to put in our kitchen, and this was perfect because it's a little bit more unique than Michael's in my opinion. Like it's, I don't know, it's just more unique, so I love it. So I picked this up and I'm so excited. And now we're just gonna stop at Homesense on the way home, and oh, I'm so happy with this. Got lots of Halloween goodies. This is like a really nice candle if it didn't have skulls on it. Actually, I really like this candle holder. I like this sign. I also really love this. It just, I don't like the whole pepper thing, but this is what we came for. This pumpkin is so cute. This one's also nice. Oh, and it has a candle. A little ghost. I really love these. They remind me of A Nightmare Before Christmas. More Keurig holders. Nice selection of candles. I kind of want a candle for our bedroom. I just don't know what. I really love the color of this blanket, even though I don't like love orange. I think it's really nice. I'm just curious. $30. It's not crazy bad. Lots of pillows. That's really cute. Another orange one. I really want like a nice clean one. Like this, maybe. These like super fun little plates. Look at that one. That one's so cute. And then they have this like little set. I think I want the bowl. I wish I could just buy the bowl. The bowl is so cute. Not many mugs this year. Guys, the lighting is awful, but success. I mean, I got still a dog bone, but I got what I went in for, which was the bigger version of the candle I have at home. So yay, we are officially done fall shopping for the most part. Alrighty guys, without further ado, I'm gonna end the video off, but I promise my Decorate With Me will be up really soon. Also, let me know if you guys, after you watch the Decorate With Me, if you like them separate or if you like them together. That way I know what to do for the holidays and decorating for Christmas. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what your favorite thing was that I got. I'm super curious. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. It lets YouTube know that you enjoyed my video and it gets it out to more people, which is always amazing and I appreciate it so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, because if you clicked on this, it means you'll have fall and Halloween. And I also love fall and Halloween, and I'm sure you'll like all of my other content this season. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!